BQE Core is a comprehensive business management solution designed to simplify and streamline operations for service-driven industries such as architecture, engineering, legal, and consulting firms. By integrating project management, time tracking, billing, and accounting into a single platform, BQE Core helps businesses improve efficiency, enhance collaboration, and maximize profitability. This video will guide you through the key features of BQE Core and how they can help you manage projects and finances effectively. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of a larger organization, BQE Core provides tools tailored to your needs, helping you stay organized, save time, and focus on delivering value to your clients. So, managing multiple projects, tracking employee hours, and maintaining accurate financial records can be overwhelming for many businesses. That's where BQE Core shines. This platform consolidates various business operations into a unified system, making it easier to oversee tasks, allocate resources, and manage costs. What sets BQE Core apart is its focus on user experience. The platform is intuitive, with a clean interface that minimizes the learning curve for new users. Additionally, its modular design allows businesses to activate only the tools they need, ensuring the platform is scalable and adaptable to changing business requirements. Whether you're working on a complex project or a routine task, BQE Core keeps everything streamlined and accessible. So, for its key features, first is the centralized project management. BQE Core provides a comprehensive project management dashboard where users can track milestones, allocate resources, and monitor deadlines. It ensures all project related data is organized and easily accessible. This simplifies project oversight, enhances team collaboration, and reduces the likelihood of missed deadlines. Another key feature is the time and expense tracking. The platform features robust time tracking tools that allow employees to log hours seamlessly, whether billable or non billable. Expense tracking ensures that project budgets are maintained and all costs are accounted for. This improves billing accuracy, reduces revenue leakage, and simplifies payroll processes. Another key feature is the integrated accounting tools. BQE Core includes accounting features such as invoicing, accounts payable, and financial reporting, all integrated into the system. This saves time by automating financial tasks and ensures compliance with standard accounting practices. Another key feature is the advanced reporting and analytics. With customizable reports and dashboards, BQE Core provides actionable insights into project performance, financial health, and employee productivity. This helps decision makers identify trends and make data driven choices to improve business outcomes. Another key feature is the mobile accessibility. BQE Core's mobile app allows users to manage projects, track time, and access reports on the go, ensuring productivity even outside the office. This offers flexibility for remote work and ensures continuous access to vital business data. Another key feature is the client relationship management. So, the built in CRM functionality helps businesses manage client interactions, track contracts, and monitor client satisfaction. This strengthens client relationships, leading to higher retention rates and improved customer satisfaction. So, why is BQE Core a great choice? BQE Core stands out as a powerful and versatile tool for service driven industries. Its ability to centralize project management, accounting, and time tracking makes it a valuable asset for businesses aiming to optimize their operations. The platform is not just about managing tasks, it's about providing actionable insights that drive growth and profitability. One of the key reasons why businesses choose BQE Core is its scalability. As your business grows, the platform grows with you, allowing you to activate additional features and modules as needed. This adaptability ensures that you won't outgrow the platform, making it a sustainable long term solution. Moreover, BQE Core's user friendly design minimizes the time spent learning the software, enabling teams to focus on what matters most, delivering high quality results for clients. Its mobile accessibility also caters to the modern, flexible work environment, ensuring that teams can stay connected and productive no matter where they are. So basically, BQE Core is a robust business management platform that empowers professionals to work smarter, not harder. By integrating essential tools for project management, time tracking, and accounting, it eliminates the need for multiple software solutions, saving businesses time and money. Its reporting and analytics features provide the insights needed to make informed decisions, while the CRM functionality helps maintain strong client relationships. So, for service driven industries, BQE Core is an invaluable tool that enhances productivity and profitability. Whether you're looking to streamline operations, improve financial oversight, or simply keep your team organized, BQE Core has the features and flexibility to meet your needs. Adopting this platform is not just an investment in software, but an investment in your future success of your business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.